How sad or happy are you?
Heartbroken, absolutely heartbroken.
But it's okay. It's just a game, woman.
But still, it's SRH. They were so good all this while. My God.
Are you more embarrassed because you lost to RCB?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, please.
Yeah, a little more bad than I could be if it was any other team, for sure.
Insane. Let me ask you, what was your best part of the match? Because you're screaming.
Part of the match was Pat Cummins was out. Yes.
That was the best part. Why was that best part?
Best part of this match. Best part.
तुम्हारी आवाज को क्या हुआ?
Just take these home. Just take these home, honestly. Because it just gives you good luck for the rest of the season. Yes! This is the reaction.
Match.
It was a disappointing game. We expected if we would have bat first, maybe we would have expected today to score more than 300 plus.
Do you think the toss played a huge factor? Because even Faf du Plessis was smiling because he didn't want SRH to bat first again.
Yeah, he knows that SRH is going to start very aggressive because we can touch near 260s and 240s nowadays. We can see the SRH consistency.
Exactly. And you know what they've been telling about SRH, right? Like the last time you've had two Australian captains, you guys won the IPL. So Cummins could win it for you all.
Exactly.
Yeah, so-
And he's been winning everything.
Correct. So you don't have to wipe the smile off your face, for sure. What was the saddest part of the game from an SRH perspective?
Travis Head getting out for one.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
even Klaassen, the whole stadium erupted.
Got out full soul. There's all four of the starting guys.
So what is it? What is the message?
ఈసారి కప్ మనదే.
Oh, is that like the version of Isala Cup Namde in Telugu?
Same but different.
Oh my God, the doppelgangers come thick and fast in IPL, and we have Sam Curran.
Same but different.
What are you doing here?
Just travel along, enjoying life, and more importantly, watch RCB versus Sunrisers tonight.
They said at the beginning, right? It is like previously happened Mumbai Indians match. The same pitch they have been. So 200 is like an below par.
RCB fans do tend to overreact over the simplest of things, and even though they're not a chance of playing finals this year, they're still celebrating like, you know, they've just won the IPL. So yeah.
See, we have something called as Devud Kitchenam. So that's like I don't
Give it to the guests.
exactly.
Yeah.
So that is what happened right now.
It's a setback, but it won't cost. Because
Just a minor hump in the road.
it had to happen sometime. It's good if it's before the playoffs.
Yeah. Pat Cummins or Mohammad Siraj?
Malakpet Markaram. Malakpet Markaram.
Amirpet Sharma.
Amirpet Sharma.
Do you think RCB can still qualify? There's a 1% chance we can qualify.
Yeah, 1% as like today we won, right? So there is 1% chance.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think so, but I wish they could qualify. That's
Okay.
sad.
One second, this guy's a masseuse, right? He's the masseuse. He's the RCB masseuse. Yeah, correct, Manika. I mean, you literally are the personal masseuse for RCB, right?
Yes.
What a massage he's given SRH today. We have masseused them.
Say goodbye to sore muscles.
Goodbye, muscles.
Tala lost here. Hitman lost here. But Kohli won here.
Yeah.
But Kohli has no chance to go in the playoffs, right, bro? What is the use?
Cheeky guy. Oh, Pat Cummins are going home with no points. Travis headed home.
खास करके बेंगलोर से आए सर मैच देखने के लिए
और पैसा वसूल हो गया भाई.
विराट कोहली के वास्ते आए. विराट कोहली के वास्ते.
मैच जीत गया बस.
How much would you give to take Virat Kohli into your team?
Everything.
Yeah.
Honestly, like I'm not a big fan of RCB, but he's an amazing player.
Do you think he'll end up winning the orange cap?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think he should board that flight to the Caribbean?
I think he should, but I also get the apprehensions as to why he shouldn't be.
Do you think Virat Kohli batted slow today?
Yes.
Yeah?
Of course.
But I think it was because to maintain the pace and run rate.
Strike rates?
He's a dependable batsman, so run rate matters for that. So one person should be playing like defending and keeping the team going. So he had that game.
Do you think he'll make the playoff?
Definitely.
100%.
Definitely.
And where do you think RCB will finish in the points table? Because I know you guys think we'll make the top 4.
I'm pretty sure they'll finish at the bottom.
10.
10th?
Yeah.
Wow, these guys are cold. So do you think they'll make the top 4?
Definitely.
And RCB will not make 10th position, right? You think they'll end up bottom?
Yeah.
So now, who is your man of the match according to you?
I don't know actually. Probably Will Jacks. Nobody.
Really?
No, I didn't expect him to take wickets.
Karan Sharma, I didn't expect that. After like first two wickets, now I was like, nah. How did they get head out so fast and stuff?
Where will SRH finish and where will RCB finish? Just weird predictions on the points table.
RCB is on the top.
In which world, man?
कौन से देश में?
For RCB, there's still 1% chance of qualification. You think it'll happen?
Maybe it's time. इस साल का नाम दे.
Still.
Yeah, still.
पागल.
Where do you think RCB will finish and where do you think SRH will finish?
RCB will finish in bottom 2. SRH will finish in top 2.
Oh, he summed it up beautifully. Everyone subscribe to cricket.com. You guys can see yourselves in the morning and good luck for the rest of the thing. Well done. Perfect. Super. All you guys, lovely.